Hello, my name is Alejandra Quintero. I present my work in my last vacation for teacher James Davis Saavedra Monevar. My vacations in Peru. Peru. This is the Templo on the Sun, which I visit with my family in April. These are Machu Picchu, raining ruins. An animal is an llama, in English, in flame. I live in Machu Picchu. In order to get to know the Machu Picchu reefs, we had to walk a long way. Next, we will talk about Peru food. The food is delicious. We certainly enjoy several seafood dishes such as ceviche and rice the Chiclayan style. We also enjoy the chup de camarones. Delicious. In general, the Peruvian food is certainly delicious to a great extent. In my trip to Peru, in a part on our friends ride a horse, 1 hour. On my trip to Peru, I also spent a very short time in the sea because the water was very cold. Thank you for your interest in my Peruvian vacation. Goodbye.